We did it. We got the new Speed Champion 76924 Mercedes-AMGs. This is the box. Every side. I guess it's upside down every way you put it. Alright, yeah, let's look inside. I went ahead and sort of cut this open. I hate the little thumb tabs. That ruins the box. Oh yeah, here we go. Ta-da! Got a little box of wheel covers, bag. Still no paper bag, but we have a bunch of plastic ones. Let's see what the highest number is. I see 6. I think 6. Yeah. 6 big bags. A little sticker. I think that's for the G-Wagon. And then another little sticker for the SL. And then the 2 booklets. And you can see the thicknesses here. This one's sticker. And yeah, pretty cool. I'm excited. Not sure what to expect. So yeah, simple enough. Let's get building. Okay, minifigure number 1. This is the SL driver. You can see he's cool in his shades and nice AMG jacket. But that's about it. When it comes to printing, no special back smile or anything. Swifty hair, but that is it. So the very first thing you build, of course, and yeah, I'm gonna start building the SL. Okay, first unexpected, unorthodox type of style build here is the exhaust. Yeah, look at this down here. Look at that. That is very unorthodox. Pretty cool though. We got a sticker, and this was another sticker there. So 2 little stickers so far, and some more body shaping to go. End of bag 1, and we have this many extra pieces. It's a little surprising, especially these guys. But I know what I'm doing, and everything is definitely here. The seats fold down, which I hear is a first. There's a 3rd seat in the back, so you could fit 3 minifigures in here. Yeah, interesting rear red taillights down there. I guess that's in the real car. These are printed. These are stickers. And then the 3rd brake light here, which is pretty clever. A little sideways build. But that's it. End of bag 1. Again, extra pieces, and then our hero here. Here's what's left of the sticker sheet, and starting section 2. Bag 2, which is a lot. I wonder if it's the end, actually. But it also introduces the weird windshield that nobody likes. I think I'm okay with it, but whatevs. I see at least 2 printed pieces. Oh, it's the screen on the dashboard. Oh, there's another. Maybe for the wheels. That's cute. There's 2 screens. Look at that. Extra piece, baby. Anyway, I'm gonna get started here. So here we go. The front grille. If you were wondering how this is made, this is basically how it's made. And then it goes plop right there. But it looks good. It's pretty clever. How about that? Some good building bits here. I'm gonna try this one-handed. Boom, that's as easy as it gets. Yeah, there's been a lot of interesting building techniques. There's an upside down situation here for the front bumper. Couple printed pieces and an extra printed piece of only the one side, interestingly enough, but hey, take what we can get. Yeah, getting close. Catch you when we're finished here. It's done! So, I think it looks better without the rim caps, personally. More luxurious and sporty. I did not put the sticker here. This full-length sticker just for the tiny emblem. Same with the little door handles. I think it's okay without them. And, yeah, alright. The windshield is a little low. And this part of the hood, I don't think I'm a big fan of, as it seems to stick above the rest. But other than that, you know, maybe this bit. But it's good looking. You know, look, we got an opening engine, which I guess is a first I've heard. It's a pretty good looking car otherwise. The rear looks pretty good. I love the exhaust bits. That's cool. I mean, it's a solid car. It seats 3 people. The seats fold down. That's another first, I hear. Person in the back. I like the interior. It actually seems nice and luxurious. Yeah. It looks good. I like it. I like it. I'll consider putting the wheel caps on, but come on, look. Does this not look good? It's like Maybach wheels or something. I think it looks pretty good. Like anti-spinners. Anyways, yeah, no, it's a good looking car. I don't hate it at all. Let's see if I can get the guy in here. Here we go. Guy's going in. There we go. And yeah, man, look how happy he is cruising. Vroom, vroom. These are the extra pieces, lots of printed bits. And yeah. Again, looks pretty good. Looks okay. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do the big bad boy now. The G63, baby. And they'll roll together. So, catch you up on that. Okay, so I put the wheel covers on, and I mean, look, they glisten. They're definitely more true to life. The real car's rims look a lot like this. I don't hate this either, so maybe I'll actually leave these on for a while. I just wanted to show you how much they glisten, man. Woof, looks like luxury. Bow chicka bow wow. Yeah, he's styling now. That's some styling. Alright. Okay. I'm trying to find the best angle here. I think this is the best angle. Yeah, that guy down there agrees. So now we know. That is some glisten. I like it. I like it. It's good.